How to make a TikTok account personal. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view all the reels shared on TikTok. Then, tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, you need to tap on the menu at the top right corner. Then, from the options, you need to select Settings and Privacy. Then, go over to Account. Once you're in, tap on this option, Switch to Personal Account. After that, tap on the Switch Anyway button. Now, your TikTok account has been switched to private. Now, go to your profile page and start posting. Now, only the people that follows you will be able to see your activity. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and make your TikTok account personal.